Welcome to the Explainer. Let's explore the toughest armor in nature, sitting right in your living room. We use rigid brute force. But plants? They survive hurricanes with flexible, atom-by-atom architecture. Crazy, right? Meet lignin. It's basically nature's biological concrete. It infuses plant cell walls, making them totally rigid and waterproof. See, young plants rely on flexible cellulose. But as they mature, boom, a radical structural transformation happens. That lignin acts like cement. It literally locks loose fibers into an unyielding, rock-solid matrix. This exact biochemical shift let ancient plants stop crawling in the mud and shoot straight up into the sky. Part 2, the alive and the dead. Now prepare yourself for a mind-bending evolutionary paradox. Get this, the massive, towering trunks of the world's oldest trees, they're actually completely dead. This brings us to the xylem. It's a hollowed-out skeleton that acts as a water pipeline and elevator. It's wild. Cells grow, fill with lignin, and then intentionally die just to form these microscopic pipes. So when you look at wood, you're literally looking at a structural elevator built from cellular ghosts. Part 3, the outer wall. Obviously, this dead inner pipeline needs some serious armor against the elements. Enter bark. It's packed with cork cells and a highly water-repellent waxy substance called Suberin. This creates a cascading defense. It stops fungal rot, prevents moisture loss, and physically blocks hungry insects. If a bug does chew through, the plant weaponizes hydraulic pressure, instantly flooding the wound with toxic resin. Honestly, your houseplant is a testament to an ancient architecture that totally mastered physics millions of years ago. But wait. Building this fortress takes immense labor. How exactly does a plant pay for this massive workforce? Believe it or not, they trade liquid sugar for hard currency in a microscopic underground Wall Street. So what dark secrets lie in this underground economy? Are you ready to follow the money trail?